Once again, you get to the gym and your desired piece of equipment is not available. But like I always tell you guys, you just have to make do with what you got. This machine sort of simulates bench press, however, it feels much easier. The machine itself states that each side is 4.5 kilograms or about 10 pounds. And then I put on 20 kilogram plates or 44 pounds, about 45 pounds. So this would be equivalent to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds, I believe it is, but this feels much easier. So I don't think this machine is quite as accurate as it would state. However, as I always say, just make do with what you've got. Then next set, this I would not be able to stack this on the bar. This is 90 kilograms. This would not be a weight that I would feel comfortable with. However, on here I was fairly comfortable with it. So safe to say this machine is not as accurate as one would like it to be. But the nice thing about this machine, you can go heavier and progressive overload easier because there's no chance of the bar actually crushing you. Next, this is 100 kilograms, and as you guys know, this is my goal. However, it would not in real life be as easy as this. So this is 100 kilograms. If only I could really beast 100 kilograms like this, but life is not always as easy as it seems. Next, I went for the 130 kilograms, but as you can see, I barely got it up, my butt even lifted, and then I just failed. So I decided, let me rather go a little bit lighter and just around 115 kilograms for the last set. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this one. Until I see you guys next time, cheers.